In this video, we're going to talk about your email deliverability due to your HubSpot email sending domain. That's right, one of the HubSpot setup processes that are vitally important to your email success is adding a HubSpot email sending domain. Are you ready to learn more and start delivering emails via your HubSpot tool? Then hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. Brought to you, of course, by the amazing team over at Impulse Creative. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Hey, make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us any of the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Do you want to keep your emails out of the spam or junk folders? I mean, to be honest, that's a pretty dumb question. I sure wish my emails would end up more in spam and junk folders. Said no marketer ever. Well, you're in luck. To help prevent your marketing emails from getting caught in spam and junk filters, you can give HubSpot permission to send emails on your behalf by connecting an email sending domain for DKIM or Domain Keys Identified Mail email authentication. Now, while it sounds nerdy, don't worry, it's really not. This removes the via HubSpot text that appears in the sender information at the top of your marketing emails. Wait, what? That's right. If you do not, I say do not add the email sending domain to your HubSpot account, everyone you email will see that you're using HubSpot for said email. Now, before I continue on, pro tip, this is different than the email sending domain you set up in your account like email.yourdomain.com. That's a subdomain, and the subdomain is for viewing the web versions of your emails if needed. This, what we're talking about today, or the email sending domain, hooks right into the deliverability or who the email is being sent from. You want it to be from your company, not from HubSpot. So how do you get it set up in your HubSpot hub? Great question. Let's take a look right now. So we are in our HubSpot portal and we have gone to the settings area by hitting the settings gear, and we've gone to the left sidebar and to domains and URLs. And now it's time to connect an email sending domain. So in this case, we will go ahead and connect a domain, and we're going to be given two choices. The primary, which we have another tutorial that we already covered on how to add your subdomains and domains. And then here is email sending domain. For this, we're going to go ahead and click email sending domain and hit connect. And we're asked to type one of the email addresses that you use to send marketing emails. So we'll go ahead and fill that out. And once we have that, we will go ahead and hit next. And then you're going to see that your emails will be sent from, and then we will hit next again. And if you have GoDaddy, you will be able to authorize this email sending domain with your GoDaddy account by hitting authorize with GoDaddy. If not, this will not show up and you'll have to do it manually. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how to set it up manually. We'll go ahead and click on that. You're going to see that we should be logged into our DNS provider. We'll go ahead and click that. We'll go to our DNS settings and we'll update our DNS records with the two CNAMEs and the TXT file. Once we have that in the DNS records, we then can verify the DNS changes. Of course, this could be you walking through this process, or it could be you getting your IT or development team to walk through this process for you. If it is your IT team, then of course you're going to want to add them as HubSpot users. But that's how simple it is to add an email sending domain to your HubSpot account. Pretty easy, right? Well, once you get it connected to your DNS, you will want to give it time to propagate. After an hour or so, check back and you should see a green light next to your email sending domain letting you know that you, yes you, are good to go with sending emails. Now, if it's not green, then you may want to do some troubleshooting and even want to contact HubSpot support for a little bit of help. Hey Sprocketeers, did you like this video? Then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications, and so we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Look, it's been an absolute pleasure, but until next time when we meet in the next video, make sure you're being focused on being a happy, helpful, humble, and of course, human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.